The Hot Wheels racing circuit had arrived in town. Mac had brought one of the guest racers. McQueen. The other Disney cars were pleased to see him. "Good luck, McQueen," they shouted. 2 minions were the starting judges. For the competition, 2 cars would race against each other. There were 2 more minions at the finishing line. First car to the line wins and goes through to the next round. If no car reaches the line, the closest to the line wins. Judges, what's going on?
Shark!
That shark car is too big to race. The little shark car came up to the big shark. "It's okay, I'm racing for you." The big shark started anyway and went down the course. Right, on to the competition. First up, Lightning McQueen against Batman. Ooh, that was close. Judges? Batman wins. Unlucky McQueen. Let's see if Mater can do better against Wolverine. Oh, Mater, I think you applied your brakes. Wolverine didn't cross the line, but was definitely closest. Captain America against Iron Man. That was close right until the end, with a captain winning. Well done, Captain. Unlucky Iron Man. Spider-Man against Angry Bird Corporal Pig. Corporal Pig does a flip, and Spider-Man, did he just take that tree? He did. Judges?
Come back!
Spider-Man through to the next round. That's better. Holly Shiftwell against Hawkeye.
Uh-oh.
Close. Hawkeye just wins and Holly takes a tree out. Hawkeye through. Ultron against Ninja Turtle Mikey. That's the closest yet. Judges? They have awarded the win to Ultron. Good race, guys. Yoda against a Stormtrooper. Ooh, Yoda flips and the Stormtrooper wins with ease. The Force was not good today, Yoda. Now, the little shark against Thor, with a big shark watching and encouraging. The excitement was too much for the little shark. Thor wins easily. The next round pairings have been made, and the first to race, Wolverine against Batman. Wolverine turned at the wrong time, leaving Batman to win. Now Spider-Man against Captain America. Very close. Where's the captain? He turned away from the line, leaving Spider-Man to win. Ultron against Hawkeye. Oh, Hawkeye tumbles, with Ultron winning easily. The last of the quarterfinals, Thor against the Stormtrooper. That's very close. Judges? Stormtrooper wins. Just. The semi-final pairings. Spider-Man against Batman. That was close, but Spider-Man just edged it. Now the second semi-final. Stormtrooper against Ultron. Oh, the Stormtrooper ran out of speed, leaving Ultron to go through to the final. Spider-Man against Ultron. Wow, that was fast and very close. Judges? They have awarded it to Spider-Man by the narrowest of margins. Well done, Spider-Man, and that was so close, Ultron. Not your day today, McQueen, said Mater. There's always tomorrow.